Hi, I'm Tiffany Burke, and I'm a social media marketing consultant, and I'm here at the PicMonkey headquarters in downtown Seattle to do a presentation tonight about intentional social media marketing. Small business owners and entrepreneurs have the best opportunity now more than ever to reach so many different types of clientele on social media. It's forever changing. The algorithms are changing, whether we're being seen online or not is changing, and it's overwhelming. One of the biggest things that I happen to see is people are just posting to post because we think we have to get something up there. And I felt that pressure before too. Sometimes I'm just like, here's a picture of my foot. And that doesn't get as much engagement as when I sit back and I've actually set aside time to think about, why am I posting what I am posting? Who am I trying to reach? What goals do I need to be having on social media marketing? Am I trying to book 3 more weddings a year as a wedding photographer? Do I want to sell 2 more houses this month as a real estate agent? Do I need 300 more subscribers for my online course this year? Narrowing down and getting to your goals before ever getting online is one of the most important things. We cannot reach every single person, and not everything we post, every single person's gonna like. So we're getting in the brain of our ideal target market. What do they want to see? What are they going to engage with? I'm also going to be covering how to genuinely interact with people, build community, and tell your story. Every brand has its own unique story, and it's important that people know who you are behind your business. People invest into those they feel personally connected to. So how is it that you're showing up online and letting people know who you are without being too salesy and too pushy with your products? A lot of us feel afraid to do that and afraid to put ourselves out there. You, your brand, your product, you are the solution to somebody's problem. And when somebody has that problem, you want to be the first person that's fresh on their mind. So I dive deep into why that's important and why we should be having that mentality online, and how that grows your connections with your customer base and turns them into really, really loyal lifetime clients. I'm especially excited to be working with PicMonkey because their foundations and their cores align so well with mine. They really care about the small business owner, the blogger, the entrepreneur, the mompreneur. They want to see those people succeed as much as I do. They're great collaborators, and they want to be providing educational and networking meetups, and I love companies that are like that. Here it feels like home because each person genuinely cares. They know like my name and what I've been up to, and they want to see me succeed, and they want to see my followers succeed, and they really deeply care. And that's one of the biggest reasons I'm excited to be here tonight, is to team up with another company that wants all of us to succeed together. Thank you so much for being here, and if I got to see you at the event tonight, I'm like so excited to have been able to connect with you in person. And if not, you can find me online. I'm on obviously Instagram and Facebook, and I have online courses if you want to do deeper learning. But I'm just so grateful to have been here and had the opportunity to give you some strategies and tools that are actionable and that you can start using right away to better your business and your marketing plan.